Hello, I welcome you all to this session Social Value, which is part of the value education. Okay, in this social value, we are going to see that what are the factors that acts as the sources for the social values. Okay, let me put into simple society. If you see the dictionary, we can see the answer a group of people or community which live together for a common purpose. Society. Okay. So, in a so called society, the people with different backgrounds, with different beliefs, different religions, okay, as communities, as families, okay, they live together for a common purpose as a society. Okay, all these different, they come together and they form a society, a place which is suitable to grow and flourish. Okay, so what are the factors or what are the things that should be considered as the factors, the real sources of this social values that we shall see now. And now on your screen, if you see, means you can see a slide with entitled social values and norms, and here we have got the points. Okay, what are the points and what they say? Let us see. Values is related to social norms. Yes. Okay, what are considered as values? It is related to social norms, that is the society in which we are living. Okay, let me give the example. Okay, if you see a Malayali, okay, for example, a Malayali Muhammadian, yeah, Alhamdulillah, uh, he will be wearing veti and something else, kurta. Okay, and if you see the Tamil Muhammadian, Alhamdulillah, who believes are the same. Okay, his way of dressing, okay, probably the Tamil Muhammadian, he will be wearing a lungi. Okay, so values is related to social norms. So what is the thing that has to be used, whether veti or lungi? Okay, I'm just saying this in general, and if we were at classroom, means probably we could have discussed a lot more than here that I am what is it professing here. Okay, so the veti or what the lungi or jubba. Okay, so if north we go, means jubba pajama it comes. So which is the one, okay, related to social norms, whether a person who wears jubba and pajama, and whether a man who wears lungi and what is it, a shirt or whatever it is, a veti and shirt. Okay, because somewhere I heard that that a person can be identified by seeing his clothes, his or her clothes. Okay, whatever it is. So what is their value? Okay, which is related to social norm. If you see, means even though belong to different, okay, landmarks, that is the terrain or the places. Okay, because the veti Muhammadian or the lungi, okay, they belong to south part, and and pajama to north, but whereas their beliefs are same, a religion is same, okay, but they respect, okay. So the common among this is that he has to wear, okay, because only a lunatic can be seen without any dress, okay. So whoever has got the sense, okay, we wear a dress, and according to the terrain or the place or the background, uh, uh, the way of wearing it may differ, but its purpose, okay, that is objective, the common goal is simple, okay, to live as a human being. Then the protection of values is made by the norms, okay. So what are these norms? Yeah, if a society uh, should evolve or it should exist, means there should be a person who should act as an amir, or else in a democratic country like ours we can say uh, what is it, chief for state chief minister, for uh, country we have got prime minister, okay. So how it is means by having the norms, a person elected by the people, okay. So by this way the protection of values, so whatever the values one have got, we can protect it by having the norms, okay. That is some protection. It may be in the form of what we call uh, constitution, or in some places it may be army or military, it depends, okay. So the third point, the human behavior is directed by the norms, yeah, okay. uh, Whatever or however we behave, okay. For example, you can see how, okay, a Madrasi, that is a Chennai, or a person from a Coimbatore or Madurai, okay, behavior, I think you can understand what I am trying to say, okay. Even though we are of same state, okay, for example even the language it will be vary, okay. Chennaian means normally என்ன மாமு எப்படி இருக்கிற, okay. And if a person from Coimbatore means என்னங்க எப்படிங்க இருக்கிறீங்க, என்னங்க, something like that, okay. In the way of the language, okay, not just language, the behavior, okay. Some will be very friendly, some will be very suspicious, in that way, okay. And then the last one is norms are the guides of human behavior, and the behavior is directed towards value. So finally we are coming to the point value, okay. So these norms are all for human behavior. These norms it serves as a guide in ultimatum being human, okay. So that is having human values, okay, with value, okay. And now what are the things, okay, that if we want to live in a society, uh, a common, okay, can be considered by which we can coexist, means for example, okay, from my own comprehension that I am giving here, one is honest, another one is helpfulness, and another one is modest. And these qualities, okay, honesty, helpfulness and modesty, okay, these three for any society or the people, the community that want to live as a society, and if they have these qualities, honesty, helpfulness and modesty means, then probably they can coexist in a very harmonious way. Okay, then social values institutions. So what these social values institutions? Let us see. The value of power are attained through political institution. So if, okay, the society has to be a good means, first it takes politics as the institution, okay, because politics it can have, or the it can devise the norms, okay, a political party or which is which takes the role of government, okay. So it has got its value, isn't it? So the value of power are attained through political institution. Then the value of wealth are attained through economic institutions, okay. So how I can have the value of wealth, okay, by having economic institutions, okay. Economic institutions, it could be any department, okay, belong to any department. For example, it could belong to agriculture, it could transport, etc., okay. Then the value of affection are attained through family institution, okay. So the affection, the quality, especially I think the Indians are very affectionate people. Why? Because the family which serves as the background, okay, it is a good one, and that here the families are taken as a institution because it is giving the knowledge, imparting the knowledge, okay. Then the value of rectitude are attained through religious institutions, okay, the other moral or ethics, whatever, according to that is it is attained through religious institutions, okay. Then comes the value of skill and enlightenment are attained through educational institutions, okay. Skill, I don't know how many of you have heard skilled laborers, unskilled laborers, okay. Somewhere near yeah, in our toll plaza I saw that sometime before, that skilled laborers are so many numbers, unskilled members are so many members. So the skill, whatever it is, okay, to whichever department, and the enlightenment, okay, that is one's understanding. In simple it could be said, or attained through educational institutions, okay, through education, and that education, the places are considered as the institutions where we get skill as well as enlightenment. Okay, gentlemen, this is what in brief, simple, related to the social values belongs to the value education. Hope you enjoyed. If any clarification, please raise your questions. Hope you will be answered, inshallah. Thank you. Thank you for your patient listening. See you in the next session.